Should I learn C or C++ before Objective-C?
Objective-C is similar to all the other C languages. Objective-C is limited to the Apple hardware family.
I heard that Apple is where the best paid programming jobs are based.
If you are just starting out, you should be studying a broad foundation, not a narrow platform.
Or I could learn Objective-C and be done.
Yes, you could learn just Objective-C. However, you won't learn much in terms of programming concepts that could lead to more efficient, elegant and functional code.
Even if you learn C++ or C++, there is still a learning curve with C#, I think.
If you learn C++, you can move on to C# and .NET development. That is a broader job market than programming iPhones.
I thought C++ didn't work on iPhones.
C++ is not a total loss if you want to work with Apple. C++ programs tapping into the C++ STL library work on a Macintosh computer.
What do you consider the best course of action?
Start with C to get the foundation. Learn some objective-oriented programming logic, then move on to C++.
A lot of continual education there.
Objective-C and Xcode are the next step. At least you can find free courses on iOS development on iTunes University.
At least there isn't C#+ to add to the list.
But C# won't run on a Mac, so there's no need to learn it unless you'll be working with Unix or Windows.
I know there are people who make a living programming for Windows, but I don't want to be one of them.
At least it's a bigger job market than those who program exclusively for Unix and Linux.
That's like fiction writing. It sounds good when you're bragging about how it was a career, but rarely can you take it to the bank.